Welcome back. Guys, it's Eric from Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering, and we are so excited to be able to invite you back into our beautiful showroom in downtown Warren, Ohio. I can't tell you how long we've been waiting on this, guys. After the chaos of this COVID-19 thing, that's behind us, hopefully. You've got an opportunity to come in here right now. There is so much available. Carpet, laminate, LVT, ceramic tile, everything you could imagine for every single room in your home. It's all available and it's all on sale. Marked down, priced to sell. I'm not kidding you guys. This is just fantastic. We have a great opportunity. Our showroom is now open from 9:30 until 5 p.m., just like it was before this crisis. We are open. We are ready to serve you. We're excited. We can't wait to have you back. Thank you for your support over the years, and thank you for your support in the near future.